An important website that we will be using very often in the classroom is edmodo.com. So I'd like you to pull up your internet and type in edmodo.com. Now, this is our startup page, and I am assuming that you do not already have an Edmodo account. Um, so you're going to go down to I'm a student and click on that. Group code. Now, each class has a different code. I'm going to start with the English 12 code, which is X52KSV, as in Victor. Now, the English 11 code is H9JK4S. English 10 code is 9GAD42. And the publications code is AALME7. So I'm going to go back to the English 12 code. X52KSV. Username, you can have whichever username you'd like. What I will see is your first name and your last initial. So for this, I'm just going to set up a different one than what I have. Choose a password that you'll remember easily. And of course, I can go in and reset your password. I can't tell you what your password is or see what it is, but I can reset it if you forget. I think it's a good idea to put in your email address because it updates you whenever there's a new thing posted on your page. Okay, first and last name, and you agree to our privacy policy, and then set up. And it'll take a moment, depending on the internet speed of the day. And ta-da, it takes you to your class page. Now, if you have other instructors or teachers who use Edmodo, you can add their classes. But for now, this is what you'll see. And this is your startup page. You can think of it similar to Facebook in its setup. You type posts, and then you choose who you want to send it to. You can send it to your class, or you can send it to the teacher, or you can send it to a classmate, or you can send it to all three. And this one wants you to just do one. We'll post it to the classroom webpage, or startup page. And then everyone can see it, and everyone can reply to it as well. Here is my message to you. Welcome to the 2013 to 2014 school year. I need to fix that. You have successfully joined your class Edmodo page. Take some time to look around and get a feel for the site. I will post assignments on this page. I will post questions. When I post a question, just answer by clicking on reply. When an assignment is posted, there will be a place where you can download the assignment, and there will also be a place where you can turn in the assignment. And those are going to be very important. You can personalize your profile page. It says what school you're at, how many posts, things like that you've gotten. These are kind of fun things to add here, which is a favorite quote. You don't have to have one. How you like to learn. This is helpful to me because I can see how many of you in the class are hands-on learners, how many are auditory learners, or you learn by listening more, and how many are visual learners. So you can choose any one of those that best describes you, and there's a little description of it there. Also, you can choose, by going to the edit mark, a career path, which is interesting to me to see, and it also helps me understand some of your interests. So you might want to add that. Also, you can add a profile picture. Make sure it is school appropriate. Let's see, you have a calendar. I will post things that are due, and so in the coming soon box here, it will tell you what's coming up that's due. And it looks like that you can add your own tasks to your calendar, which is helpful. You can have different calendars if you have different classes. This one, for instance, has everything, which means if you're in 3 classes that use Edmodo, it shows everything that's due on those dates. Progress. It's kind of like a grade book. I'm not sure how much I will use it because grading each assignment on Edmodo is kind of redundant since we use PowerSchool. But for quizzes and things like that I post on here, you can see those, so that might be useful to you. Apps. There's really not a whole lot that goes along with apps, but it's there if you need it, or if you're interested in it. So anyway, I just encourage you to take some time to look around on Edmodo. Anytime you click on the home button, it's going to take you to your home page, and you can see it kind of looks like an older version of Facebook. This backpack is a new thing. Let's see what that is. Okay, backpack, you can add files to your account, and it looks like it can be any type of file, a Word, Adobe, a movie, anything like that. That way you can hang on to everything in one folder. Now, when you go to your class, English 12, there's folders, and in those folders, for example, this says lecture video links. So you just click on that, and it will take you to the different lecture videos that I need you to watch, and anything else that I post. So any assignments that have a piece of paper that go with them, I will post that in a folder so that you can have access to it at any time. Members, this just shows your teacher and then each student who is in your class. Up on the right hand here, notifications. You will get notifications if I post something new, if one of your classmates posts something new, if someone replies to something that you have posted. So it's kind of nice when this page gets kind of busy with lots of things that we post that you can easily see things that are of interest to you. Also, I encourage you to give your parents the parent code here. What they're going to see is similar but not exactly the same, but they're going to be able to see what's going on our classroom web page. And with our videos, you know, I do encourage your parents to watch the videos with you. So I also encourage them to get on Edmodo and see what we're doing there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Obviously, I'm not there in the classroom with you right now, or if I am, I won't be there for very long. But you can email me at any time, and I will probably get it within just a few minutes. And if I have the time and the ability to reply to you, I will do so immediately. You can also send me a message here on Edmodo, and just clicking on my name, I think, let's see. No, you have to be on your home page. Type your note here. Then you just go down to my name and send, and the message will get to me. So you can either use my school email address, or you can send me a message on Edmodo. But I encourage you to look around and have fun with this website. We will be using it frequently, so please be familiar with it. If you need to see your class code again, the substitute will have them, or if I'm there, I will have them. So enjoy, have fun, and I look forward to the school year.